Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of waffles. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 2 cups of plain flour, 2 cups of warm milk, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Now in a bowl add egg, sugar, oil and beat well. Add dry ingredients and add 2 cups of milk. Beat well for 2 minutes. As you can see, we need this kind of consistency. Now waffle batter is ready, let's start preparing the waffles. Apply little oil on waffle maker and then add 1 tablespoon of the batter. And cook it until it turns into golden brown color. As you can see, waffles are ready. You can eat them with honey or Nutella. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.